This video is going to make it easier for you to start using GoHighLevel. So I'm going to show you where everything is, I'm going to show you what potential things you can do, and basically remove that initial friction of trying something new. Now, if you're not familiar with GoHighLevel, it's a CRM and marketing automation platform that lets you run your entire business from one place. It's built for web design agencies, service businesses, and course creators who are tired of duct taping 10 different tools together. Now, before we dive in, here's one quick thing that you should know. GoHighLevel has two main pricing plans, the starter plan at $97 per month and the unlimited plan at about $300 per month. All right, let's go. Now, there are 5 things that we need to set up. First, we'll go to the dashboard, and things might look a bit empty, but that's kind of normal. Now, this dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your pipeline, recent activity, and calendar. But the real power is on the tabs on the left here. This is the conversations and contacts. This is where all the communication lives, and you'll see messages from all your platforms like email, SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, all in this one inbox. Then head to contacts. Every lead, client, or form submission automatically shows up here, along with tags, notes, their full messaging history, and even what pages they visited. You can also manually add contacts or segment them into smart lists based on their behavior. So this turns GoHighLevel into a proper CRM, one that actually gives you context for every lead. So if you're testing things out, add yourself as a contact first. That way you can walk through forms, emails, and automations like a real lead would. Next up is the marketing tab. And this is where HighLevel starts replacing half your software stack. Okay, you can schedule posts across Facebook, Instagram, Google Business, and LinkedIn, all from one calendar. Just connect your accounts, drag in the content, and schedule it to go out when you want. You also get a full-blown email marketing tool. It's basically MailChimp but built into your CRM. And if you're running affiliate programs, you can just create custom campaigns, assign commissions, and track performance all from here. Now, next is payments. So here you can send invoices, payment links, and even manage full-blown subscription billing without sending Stripe checkout pages or third-party invoicing tools. So go to the payment tab and you can create products and offers, set up one-time or recurring charges, track paid or unpaid invoices, send estimates or order forms. What's even better is the built-in contract and document feature. You can send branded contracts, get them signed with an e-sign tool, and automate the whole process. It's like having Stripe plus PandaDoc plus QuickBooks all inside one dashboard. And if you're running a service-based business, this can be a game changer. Now, next is automations, and this is where things really level up. So we'll go to the automations tab and you'll see workflows, which are visual, drag and drop sequences that can handle everything from follow-ups to pipeline movement. So you can start from scratch, or there are a bunch of templates here as well. There are workflows for offers, lead follow-ups, webinar reminders, and more. And the best part is that it's all logic driven. So you can build paths based on conditions, like whether a lead replies, clicks a link, or ignores your messages. Even if you're not technical, these automations are built to be intuitive and easy to start. Now, the next is websites and marketplace. This is where you build your website, landing pages, funnels, and even courses. No separate tools needed. So under sites, you can create sales funnel like ClickFunnels, build websites using WordPress, add forms and surveys, launch blogs or host them via WordPress, set up online courses with full video hosting and membership access. There are tons of templates here for landing pages, contact forms, and even thank you pages. So you can just pick one, tweak the copy, and publish. So you can A/B test stuff, embed things in different places, and make this all part of the workflow that we just covered before. And if you want more power, just head to the Marketplace tab. This is where you can add integrations or third-party apps. But honestly, for most users, GoHighLevel is more than enough and you don't really need to do this. So once you set up these 5 sections, you're no longer just testing GoHighLevel, you're actually using it like a pro. The dashboard may feel overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you start clicking around, everything becomes simpler and easier to use. And the more you build, the more time you'll save and the more you'll get better at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.